What's up, everyone? And today we're going to learn something in math. Probability. When Danny rolls a die, he has at least a 1 out of 6 chance for him to roll the right number, and a 5 out of 6 to not. So, Danny had a 1 out of 6 chance to roll the die, since there are 6 numbers, and he chose 1 to land on. So, there are two outcomes in this type of situation: theoretical and possible. Theoretical is your favorable outcome, which you think will happen theoretically. For example, Danny wanted to roll a 5, and it did turn up a 5, but he still had a 1 out of 6 chance of doing it. The one at the bottom, the denominator, has are all the possible outcomes that could have happened, including Danny's roll. But there are still 5 more that Danny could have lost. So, when you have a 1 out of 6 and a 5 out of 6, they're both theoretical and possible outcomes.
Covered theoretical and possible probability. But there are other units of probability in math. So, if I'm drawing a chip out in this bag, let's say a red one, right? If I put it back in the bag, it's independent probability because it doesn't affect the future or right now. But if I take it out, it's dependent probability because it affects the future and will change the probability.
So there's another example of dependent probability. Say you have 2 horses, a poker draw and a die. And I roll the die, and it's a 5, but I guess 4. So then I cannot participate in the next one, which is a poker chip draw. Because of the dependent, it affects my future chances. But if I'm drawing a poker to start, and I draw a red, and I did guess red, then I can participate in the next one because it did not affect my future, and I won. So, to merge probability and its chances together, you will need to multiply the numerator with the numerator and the denominator with the denominator. So, for example, the coin has a 1/2 chance of succeeding, and the die has a 1 out of 6 chance of succeeding. So what you do is you align them up together, and then you multiply them together. In this case, 1 times 1, which is the numerator, is 1. And then 6 times 2, which are the denominators, is 12. So you have a 1 out of 12 chance to get both of them right.
The simple equation for probability is FOPO. So it's favorable probability over possible probability. If you don't believe me, just search it up. So favorable probability is when you pick your favorite number, -3, and you roll it, alright? Oh, it was a 6. But possible probability is all the chances with your favorable probability.
We hope this video of probability has helped you a lot and that you enjoyed it. We hope that it will help you on this unit of math, and in the future it will also help you in other stuff. Thanks for watching.